The TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus is undeniably packed with an impressive features. Its sleek design, vibrant display and powerful hardware makes it a device worth talking about. But let's face it, most reviewers only highlight the flashy positives, right? I'm here to do things differently. In this review, we are not just skimming the surface. I will give you a clearer, more honest picture of what this device offers. The good, the bad and everything between. So if you are wondering whether the TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus is truly worth your money or if there is more to the story, stay with me. This review will be unlike anything else you've ever seen. Before we get started, let me ask you this. Have you ever bought a phone that looked perfect in review but turned out to have an hidden issue no one mentioned? That's exactly why I'm here, to prevent that. Before we dive in, if you are new here or if this is your first time watching my video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's one of the ways you appreciate what you're about to watch and also help the channel grow. Let's start with its design. The TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus feels light at just 479 grams, making it comfortable to hold even for an extended period of time. It features a Gorilla Glass 5 for durability, though the plastic bag and frame might feel less premium. The colors, Temporal Orbit, Lunar Frost, Radiant Starstream and a special Magic Skin 2.0 screen add a modern touch. But here's the real question. Does a lightweight build matter more to you, or do you prefer a premium metal finish? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. A 6.70" FHD Plus AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth. It comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are gaming or scrolling, the experience is seamless. The 1080 at 2436 resolution ensures everything looks sharp and vivid. But here's the thought. Is having a high refresh rate more important to you than color accuracy? Or do you need both to feel satisfied with the display? Let me know in the comment. Moving on to the camera. The 32 megapixel front camera paired with dual flash delivers good selfie even in low light condition. On the back there is a 108 megapixel main camera with 4 flashes, giving you a decent performance in well lit condition. However, low light performance might not be as good as you hope, even with those flashes. What do you think? Would you rather have a few 1 megapixel but better low light performance, or do you prefer a high resolution? Now let's talk about performance. The TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus runs on a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, combined with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. That's not enough. Here's the cool part. The RAM is expandable up to 16GB, which is a bonus for multitasker and gamers alike. But here's something to consider. Does expandable RAM really make a difference in day-to-day use, or is it just another marketing technique? Share your opinion in the comment section below. If you are enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth review that tells you the full story. The TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus boasts a 5000 mAh battery with a 33W fast charging, which keeps you powered throughout the day. The Type-C charging port is a welcome touch for a faster and more convenient charge. Here is a quick question. Will you sacrifice battery life for a slimmer design? Or do you prefer bulkier phones with large batteries? Let's discuss this in the comment section below. This device includes a solid lineup for sensors like fingerprint scanner and a proximity. They have many more. For connectivity, it supports a Wi-Fi, a Bluetooth, NFC and a Type-C port. However, the lack of 5G network might feel like a limitation, especially as 5G network becomes more common. What's your take on this? Is a 5G a must-have for your next phone, or are you fine sticking with the 4G network? Running on Android 14, the TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus provides the latest software experience, which is great to see in this price range. The MediaTek Helio G99 chipset ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. The TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus is a solid choice if you are looking for a device with great display, strong camera and a reliable battery. However, the lack of 5G and a full premium build might make you think twice. So what's your verdict? Is this phone a hit or a mess for you? And what's the one feature you can't live without in a smartphone? Let me know in the comment section below. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe for more honest review. Remember, I will be reviewing the price of the TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus in my next video. So hit that button and stay tuned. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.